Hey guys, here's another quick project to update the look of your fireplace. We're gonna paint the whole grill and the brass doors just to update them. So I watched a few other YouTube videos and all they did was tape off the glass and spray with the doors in place. But I started looking at this and thought there must be a better way. So I took a look at these doors. I don't know if you can see that there. There's some screws on the inside. I was able to dismantle the doors, take the glass out, paint the brass doors much better than if I would have left them on the fireplace when I painted. I used a can of this Rust-Oleum high heat barbecue paint for the doors. On your fireplace, you're going to want to use barbecue paint or some sort of high temp paint. Obviously your fireplace gets warm. So this was the stuff I used for the door. It's got a pretty nice kind of matte finish. Worked well for the fireplace. So there it is. That's the finished product. Definitely made the right choice. Pulling the doors off to paint them. I think the fireplace looks quite a bit better now. Just a little bit more subtle, all black, and really makes the mantle stand out as well.